In this video, we will show you how to delete Facebook account from your computer. If you think your Facebook account is no longer needed, you can delete it. How to do that? First, after you sign in on your Facebook account using your computers, you can just click your profile here and select Settings and Privacy. Then, select Settings. In here, you need to choose See More in Account Center. Click here. After that, you need to go to Personal Details menu. Click here. After that, there is Account Ownership and Control on the list. Just click that. In here, there is two options, memory elimination and deactivation or deletion your account. Because we need to delete, we just click here. And memory elimination is we die, maybe our family can delete using memory elimination. In here, we need to delete just using deactivation or deletion. And select your account profile. In here, there is two options. You can deactivate or you can delete. Just select option 2. Then click continue. In here, you need to choose the reason why your Facebook need to be deleted. Okay? For example, you choose this and click continue. The last step, you can click continue to finish on your Facebook deletion. Okay, that's all tutorial how to delete your Facebook account. I'm not to delete my account, so I don't click continue for the last step. Thanks for watching.